One of the things I love best about working for Mainline Kitchen Design is the breadth of the products that we offer in cabinetry. So we run the gamut of pricing from least expensive to most, and this is one of the geniuses of our owner, Paul McAlery. When he set this whole thing up, he picked in each grouping of price level the least expensive that gives you the kind of quality you want at that price level. This way we can't be undersold. And we're also giving you in every single line solid wood cabinets, solid wood drawer boxes with dovetails, buffered glides, buffered door hinges. It gives you the full gamut of everything that you want in a cabinet. But if you want to flip a house or sell a house in 6 months, you could get CNC cabinets or Cubitac and get a really inexpensive price. If you're going to live there the rest of your life and you want the best, you could get Plain Fancy or Brighton Custom Cabinets. And if you want to be somewhere in the middle, you've got 1951 and Fabuwood. So all these different lines kind of cover the whole gamut of everything that I need to sell to a customer, and I can give them exactly what it's tailor-made for them to have.